Getting out of credit card debt. Now, this is a position that none of us want to be in, but if we are, there are things that we can do to get into a better position. So let's jump right in. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Dan Daily. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Now, there are 7 things you can do to get out of credit card debt. Now, they're not going to be easy, but as you get through each one, you will be substantially decreasing your credit card amount in your debt, your credit card debt. First thing first, you can work with a nonprofit credit counseling organization. Credit counseling organizations can review your entire financial situation and work with you to create a plan to tackle your financial challenges. They give you advice about credit card issues, budgeting, money management, and debt management. If you work with a credit counselor, it's important to research the organization before you get started. Check with your state's attorney general's office and consumer protection agency to ensure it's a reputable agency to work with and not just a company that might be trying to scam you out of more money. Option 2, apply for a personal loan. A personal loan can be used to consolidate debt, and the funds from a debt consolidation loan can be used to pay off your credit card balances. So instead of making multiple credit card payments each month, you can make one payment for the personal loan. Another option is to use a balance transfer credit card. A balance transfer card lets you move balances from one or more credit card accounts to a different credit card. Balance transfer credit cards often offer a introductory 0% APR on balances you transfer with a certain amount of time. Now, some cards charge a balance transfer fee, which is what you really want to check for, which will add to the debt you must repay. Also, the amount that you transfer, including any fees charged, can be higher than your credit limit, which may not be high enough for you to pay off all your debt. Just make sure to pay your credit cards on time, or else the introductory APR may be at risk and they may charge you interest at extremely high rates. Another option is to ask a friend or family member for help. There's no shame in that. Depending on how much money you owe and what your financial situation overall looks like, it may make sense to ask a family or friend to help lend you some money. But if you opt for this method, it's important to be sure that the loan terms and repayment plan are clearly mentioned and outlined for your friend or family member, just as they would be if you were getting a loan from a financial institution. Now, the last 3 options that we're going to go over are more risky, but I want you to be aware so you have those options. Number 1, cash out auto refinance. Some lenders offer cash out refi auto loans that allow you to use the equity in your car to issue you a loan for other expenses, like consolidating credit card debt. But if you're unable to make your payments, you risk losing your vehicle. So you want to be really careful. Home equity loan. Home equity loans let you borrow against your home's equity and use the cash to pay for pretty much anything. This may seem like a good option because these loans often have lower rates than credit cards and personal loans. But if you default on payments, the lender typically has the right to start foreclosure proceedings, and you could lose your home. So again, risky, but there are some pros and cons. Retirement account loans. If you participate in an employer-sponsored retirement account, such as a 401k or a 403b, it may be tempting to use some of those funds to pay off your debts. Retirement account loans don't require a credit check as long as your plan offers a loan option. Some don't, so you want to check in that. And interest rates are typically lower than what you'd pay at a bank or other lender. But if you're unable to make your payments, the amount you withdrew could be taxed, and you might have to pay a penalty on top of that. Since the funds you borrow won't earn interest, you're missing out on an opportunity to grow your retirement income. Now, a lot of people are facing issues, especially during the coronavirus pandemic. If you or anyone is facing hardship, there may be resources available to you from your credit card company and auto lenders to help with the payments. So you want to call them up and find out if they have any such programs available. If you have any issues or concerns, feel free to comment below or message me. I'll be more than happy to reach back out to you and see what I can do to help. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video and found some value in it, please hit the like button. It would mean a lot to me. And please hit the subscribe button for more videos. See you next time on Dan Daily.